in color with my neon shades, feeling like a roller coaster, dropping in on a brand new day. When XYZ is ABC, how radiant this life can be. Let's uncover a new way and live on the bright side, where a simple smile can turn someone onto the right side. Go and use your light to help them see through their eyes. Free it, feel it, live it, sing it. Free, feel it, live it, sing it. I got a hunger for something fresh and new, smooth like peanut butter. Let me spread it out for you. No dollar makes me holler like loving on each other. We're better together, me and you. Let's live on the bright side, where a simple smile can turn someone onto the right side. Go and use your light to help them see through their eyes. Oh, free it, feel it, live it, sing it.
Hi Lolo, happy birthday. I hope that you liked your birthday that we have prepared for you. Thank you for everything. Thank you for all the sacrifices that you did for us, for all of your family. We love you so much and may God give you more birthdays to come. I love you.
Happy birthday. Sana pakaba na ka pa ng biyen. Pareho, wala ka pang problema, wala ka pang panandaman, kaluguran da kang kaluguran.
Oh, Papa, happy birthday. Dakala salamat keng eganaga ng pamanyawak mo kaya kami, lalo na karyang anak ko kanito. Ita, happy birthday, dakala sa kaluguran da ka.
Message mo rin po para kayo. Message mo.
Message ko, sana kumaba ka pa biye. Batasopan mo ko po. Dakal na, balo na naman tong nanitang kaya mo. Bawal kaya ka. Puwing, gang ka na balo ko, dakal ka ba bawal? Ito. Basta't isipan ko kaluguranda ka. Yaku papagi pero kaluguranda ka.
Kuya, happy birthday. Sana dakal pang birthday datang kaya ka. Thank you keng ganakamo ampong. Keng pamanang tabe yung kaya kami, anyang mga lati kami. Salamat kuya. Kuya, kasi balo mo re, dempe nga rita mo. Ano pa may kalugod? Kanya pinita mo, may kakalugod tamo, itamo may pinsan-pinsan. Deng kapatad mo, ang poreng pinsan ko, reng anak mo, bala mo pe nga rita ako. Hanala ka ganakakana ako. Salamat kay ganagana kuya kay sao yo. Kaya kami, ng pamilya ng Apong Martin, kang Apong Desang, salamat. Happy birthday, kuya.
Loving wife, Mrs. Maria Congal, please welcome our birthday celebrant, Mr. Federico Fred Samson Congal. Once again, ladies and gentlemen, show your love to our celebrant himself. how many, sir? 18. Baliktad po dapat. It's supposed to be one. A celebration for Sir Fred's 81st birthday with a prayer po to be led by Mr.
Sa aming kuya, si Kuya Piding po, sa kanyang kaarawan. Lord, patuloy niyo po siyang gabayan. Patuloy niyo pong i-bless yung family niya, Panginoon. I-bless niyo po ang kanyang mga anak. Lord, yung lahat po ng mga nandito, i-bless niyo po. At ganyan din, Panginoon, lahat ng aming gagawin sa gabing ito ay ikaw ang mabigay ng kapurihan. Lahat po ng papuri at pasasalamat ay binabalik namin sa matamis na pangalan ng iyong anak na si Jesus. Amen and amen.
8 women, significant women in his life, which will be having a dance with our celebrant. Let's now have the 8 roses dance of our dear celebrant Fred, starting off with Ma'am Merlinda Gozon. Party people talaga si Lolo. Thank you so much, Ma'am Merlinda. Have a photo po. Okay na po yung photo. Let's now move on.
Turn my life around. The sweetest
Thank you so much po, Ma'am Marlu. And next up, let's have Howard.
Someday, when I'm awfully low, when the world is cold, I will feel the glow.
Thank you so much po, Ma'am Evelyn. Next up, let's call her now, Miss Remedios Sanchez.
And the way you look tonight, your love to love, and the way you look tonight, each word, your tenderness with each word, your tenderness grows.
Alright, picture lang po sa sila. There you go. And next up, let's now call on Chloe Mace.
Love me, don't you ever change. Keep that
One of the applause. Thank you so much. Another applause
please
who has been one of the punong abala of this.
meet again, wearing older faces, talk about the places they've been. Two old sweethearts fell apart somewhere long ago.
Remix pa na to.
How would they know?
Ay, nagtitiktok.
Someday they meet again.
Thank you so much, Ross. Dapat pala nag-tiktok tayo. Alright, ladies and gents, down to the last rose. Palakpakan po natin our dear celebrant. Happy everyone!
Birthday. Ay, siya. Pareho ka naman ngayon. Okay? Bye-bye.
Lovely. Beautiful message. Okay, Sir Fred, kindly blow po.
Para ka pa yung birthday, datang pera.
Beautiful message as well. Thank you so much po.
Thank you, Nick.
Ano pong wish niyo for Sir Fred? Sir Winnie? Diyan lang po kayo. Huwag niyo pong iwan agad si Sir Fred. Mag-nervous siya po ay kanini na pa po kinugiwa yun eh.
Ano po? Ano nga?
Okay. May panic signal mo po. Thank you so much. Sir Willie, pakiblow tayo po yung candle kang sir.
Kumusta pare? Muna, maragul ko pa salamat. Muging pamagimbita mo, nunay pambeda rin yung kakaluguran. At ding sablang pesitagon. Yan nga doon ni Gerang Erdogan. Iting kandila, kasagisag bilang sala, Kristo parating at tsukeko. Huling yung sala, maging sagisag ne, ing metong atao, nung makananoy itang kayang lugod at pakamal, karing kayang pamilya, karing kayang kakaluguran, at karing ega-naganang daketing biyemo. Kristo kapilanman, nakatapago rin. Uling yung sala, parating at yu, king katamong puso at panataw. Yan ang aldo na ning kekang kayaldawan. Maragong kami pa salamat. Uling yung biyayang pigkalog na ning apong Ginoo. At yung grasyang binya na keka. Dinalang ka mang kasakitan, king minuna, king katataw yan, binyene, king grasyang alang kapupusan. Happy birthday, Pasbahay, pare.
Amen to that. That was such a beautiful message. Thank you so much, Pastor Francis. There you go. Thank you so much. All right, moving on. Let's call on the next candle, Mr. Bill Samson.
Ayoko sana yung magsalita kay Kajang. Pero, pagkuhan sa nakay. Pero yung metong nga, yung balok ng Roxy na ako mo, ay yung Roxy kaya mo ba di kong wanching eh. Pero halos metong kami mo sabihin sa na ikaw, metong ka rin mag-anak kang pinsan mo. Pala mo, kapatid mo muna. Sana, wish ko di na nakapasikan na ng akong Ginoo. Maging masayang biye mo, pamilya mo, ating maging successful ng rin kaya kang anak. Wish ko karing good health sa ano po kay. Thank you, sir.
Beautiful message. Thank you so much, Pastor Bill. Next, we have Sir Bernard de los Reyes.
Ako po, simple lang po ang wish ko para kay Federico or kay Bapa. Asay ko him. I wish him many more birthdays to come, good health, and more peace of mind. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat.
Yay! Beautiful wishes. Thank you so much, po. Next, we have Mr. Edward Maristela. Okay, perfect. Again po, we would like to call on Sir Esik to papablow na lang your candle. Sinikreto po yung message. Pablow po natin kay Lola. Okay, siya rin po yung nag-blow. Thank you so much, though. We're down to the last candle. The 8th candle is the most favorite and youngest sign of our celebrant, Jackson Bongod. Okay, sinikreto rin po ang message. Fine. Important women in his life. May we call on her loving wife? Asan po si Lola? May we invite up on stage the beautiful wife of our celebrant, Mrs. Mariette Bongod.
Maganak ako. Ay kay, paglambis ko yung kabubulod.
Okay.
Happy birthday kay ako. Ang wish ko kaya Carl, sana pakaba na kapanibyan niya ng bago. Makalingwang kalukuran, dakang kalukuran. Kaya pamulyan mo.
Aw, that is so sweet. Palakpakan po natin everyone, the loving wife, Mrs. Maria Tongo. Wow, with a kiss, sealing the message with a kiss. Alright, wishes and sentiments were delivered. At this point, of course, a birthday celebration will happen.
Happy birthday to you. Happy
You can do better than that. Come on! Happy birthday, Fred! May all of your wishes come through. So, Fred, blow your candle on your birthday cake. Make a wish. Blowing those candles now. Palakpakan po natin our dinner celebrant Fred on blowing off her candle on his.
See your fair share of bright days, and some night skies too. You felt a spectrum of colors. Sometimes they're all blue. Oh, but you're a wonder to witness. If you'll pause and see, let's breathe in together, right here, you and me. Hold on tight, it'll be alright. Come on and rise up, rise up. You're looking great, keep heading that way. Keep your chin up, chin up. When it all feels strange, don't know what to say. Turn up your little light in the world. Oh, we're almost there. Can you feel it in the air? You're a fighter, fighter. We'll walk it out together. We'll be stride for stride, till we're dancing like fireflies, till we're one in the sunlight. Take my hand, you don't wanna miss. There's so much life out here to live. Come on, it's over the horizon. Yeah.
Happy birthday, Wawa!
Happy birthday, Papa. Masaya kami na
Papa!
kabilang kami din kaming pamilya mo na masaya nga ni Kauras ang iti uling balumi na miras kating edad. Pila na kasi 81 years old. Although it's you're 81 years old, you just look like 70 years old. Tupita.
Yes.
Tupita. Isalito to.
Yes.
So, Papa, sana din na nakapang makabang panahon, makabang biyan ng ating Ginoo at malusog pa aming kakatawan. At di kaming anak mo, masaya kami sana ato kami nung namin tang ikit ni Kepa, itang halimbawa na pepagit mo kay kami. So, kaya sabi ko mo, maligayang kaarawan sa araw na to. At God bless kay Papa, kay katamang ng pamilya mo. At lalo tayo kung maging masaya. Although makarandaw tamo, pero in spirit, yabi-yabi tamo. Kaluguran na ka.
Happy
From family, American Samoa.
Happy birthday,
Pa. Wish you good health.
Many more blessings to come.
We love you.
Hi Lolo, it's Rian. Happy 81st birthday. I pray for you and I wish you lots of health and wealth and more birthdays to come. Happy 81st. Love you.
Happy
birthday, Papa. Enjoy your day. We love you.
Wind is blowing through our hair, the lights are shining everywhere. From up above and down below, we fall into the afterglow. So now, this is the perfect night tonight. It's now or never. Come on, let's light up the sky. Now we're together. Come on, let's light up the sky. Just you and I. Let's light up the sky. Let's light up the sky. Take my hand and we can run like tigers underneath the sun. The moon is old, the night is young, and this is where we all belong. So now, come let your soul and mine.
Yan talaga, pero since buri ko yung kakanta, o ano yung kakanta, yung bisa ka na ako. Pero po, pangarap ko talagang bisang kumanta. Nya, magkanta ako, nung alimbawa, medyo may impress ko kaya kanta ko, papalakpak kayo. Nung ako may impress, ano ko papalakpak. I know it's over. And in this moment, keep on turning. Let's just be glad we had something to stand together.
Kunwari, papalakpak.
Thank you, thank you. Inantabayan na nakatamo kening kasayaan na ini. Pasalamat ko muna karetang anak ko without even my knowledge si Rockman. Ko balo talaga na niggawan din ni. Magbalak ko kanito, dito mong pamilya ko kening interest ko lamo itang mga tanak mo keng nangaw sa kanito, tag-itol yung kena ako. O ni kay, itaw metong kung papupeg sabihan din rin anak na nabalak na lolo kember din na yara. Manag kaya itamo kami mo kanong ipapamilya. So sinabi na kan, meras sabihan ka ako, kurira ko nila. Makanya na kaya. So ini nga po, kaya mo naman malyari sabihan lolo, wala. Mga nandoon rin ang agatan mong yamin naman balo, wala. So ito, pasalamat ko kareta hanggang anak mo reta na bisa-bisa di Biawari. Ampong pasalamat ko naman kayo hanggang kamag-anak, paunakan, apo, kalukuran. Detang hanggang ang sukeni na pasalamatan ko na aso ko din ka na akong kaswelo, din ka na akong kaligayahan. Huling itang pamanagon nyo na ikat ko na nung makanano ko kayo importante kaya kayo. Kaya kayong hanggang at yung mo na sa itigeni. Nakala salamat kaya kayo na sana ang tabayanan nakatawang paligid pa, yung kaya katamo pa ni Biebe, na di na nakatamo pang masikan na panikakatawan ni Malameto. Ang pamburika naman ay seri ng tangkana ko nga po ang yan yung kasalukuyan. Manandaman niya. Pero I believe through faith. Panwalang po na kingupayan nga pong Ginoo, miracles are still around. Mo magmilagro Jesus anyang panahon na ben oren kayang kayang apostles. Balo ko na ngayon panahon na iti, kaya di tayo pa at bibigyan na pa yung milagro kaya katamo ni nga pong Ginoo. Na as long as we believe in Him, paniwalan tayo, naya at iyo kaya katamo, na kaya di tayo, adwan tayo na yung peka imposible, yung peka itang peka, kitang human thinking, naisipan tamo no adwan tayo, no, masakit sa inyo, masakit, pero believe it, panwalan tamo, through faith, na istong may yawat ka kaya nga pong Ginoo, itang faith mo kayo, itang kasalpantayan mo, bilog yan, tandaan ng tamo, pagkatandaan ng tamo, I'm not trying to preach to anybody, tandaan ng tamo, na yung nga pong Ginoo, alayang, i-disregard, istong may yawat kang agit na kaya kang puso, itang kalawsan mulog, itang kapaniwalan mo kayo, na alayang iyagawa, istong meniwala ka kayo. Eko po mag-preach, nungwari, asa kapatid, uri kaya mong isyarit ang kana kung aparalan ay kindiya mo. Nya, maniwala tamo kayo, Lord is still around. Kaya di tayo pakedi. Kalupan niya nga tsukeng maglakad siya, mag-preach siya ka rin ng 1 taon. Nandiyan ngayon niya, tayo. Anya nung manyawad tamong at yung kaya katang pusoin kayo, usan tamo kayo. Alang imposibleng marapat. At buwan tanit ang peka imposible. Pero istong naniwala tamo kaya nga pong Ginoo. Asa sigurado ko, na ibiyanit ang adwan tamo kayo. Makanya niyang lugod kaya katamo, alayang dinisregard. Alayang sinabing, no, era malyari. Era kakayan, uling makanya ka. No! Istuli natin ka kayo. Pakatandaanan, pakatandaanan. Sasabihan ko pinang magpagsaurak pa rin ka na akong kayabi obra king America. If there are sinners ako, I can't be number 3. I'm always number 1. But because of His love for me, balo ko din daw ko yung natawang ko peka. Nung nanumantang pa magkamali king milabas kong biye, pepatawaran na ako. Din daw ko kayong katawang ko, na makanya niya lugo din nga akong Ginoo. Alayang basta linapit ka kay ikit na itang kalusan mo lub. Alayang sasabihan, no, iya kamalyari, no. Tanggapan na katangan, basta linapit ta kayo. At sasabihan ko pin, kaya kayo hanggang kapatid ko ditang Kenny. Wish ko na po tang mamanuli kayo ang tabayanan na kauning nga pong Ginoo. Miras ko nga lang kasasat kulang pa rin kaya kayo tibale-bale. So na kayo at pasalamatan ko pe pagitso ka na ako yung kaya ko ang lugod. Bistaban din alwa at yung lampia mong tala nakarelang appointment. Pero still at ilo Kenny makiabi lang magsaya. Dakala salamat kaya kayo nga. Nga pong Ginoo yan ang mablas kaya kayo. Thank you.
Ladies and gents, our celebrant himself marks the diamond age of a person. So with that po, as we raise our glasses, let's greet our celebrant himself once again. Happy birthday, Fred, and welcome him to a new chapter of his life, which is the diamond age. So, happy birthday, Fred. Welcome to your diamond age. In 3, 2, 1. Welcome to your diamond age. And there you have it, everyone. That concludes the Fred's 81st birthday party celebration. The night is still young, but we will gonna open the dance floor. Everyone is welcome to dance with our celebrant, Sir Fred. Sa mga paulit.
Nobody can paint a trim.
And the rest of you guys, if you feel like dancing,
Never see the portrait of my love for miracles. The glow's gone, that paints the sky above to try and paint a portrait of my love. Tuloy lang. Sige. Wala. Mag-imaginary yung music yun eh. What about Mr. and Mrs. Abad? May I request you to please dance? Dali lang po. We're having a technical problem. Tito Vicky and Tito Bernard. Request na ko Chloe. Kenny, alam ba ito ni? Wabin, Bernard, you are being requested by the celebrant. Pero kayo Kenny, pabrahin mo dyan makas, di nga luwa, lala sa lol, tetera ko lang. Kenny. Tuloy. Okay. Let's start from the very beginning. From the top. Kasi nakuha tayo ni pornographer, hindi na ako picture. For nobody can paint a trim. You never see the portrait of my love. Sin.
Kasi, alam mo, hindi naman ako bayad dito eh, kaya kalakalahati lang. Punta kayo doon sa pwesto ko, mabubuo natin to. Beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh, my, it's a beautiful day. Hot, beautiful Sunday. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. This is my beautiful day. When you say that you love me. Oh, my, it's a beautiful.
There is no way you can deny it. I can see that you're so Chiquitita, tell me the truth. I was your doll, you can cry on. Your best friend. Sino pa papalis ka? Next. Cover speech. Happy birthday, Lolo. When I feel so sad, when my lessons fail blue, I wish you were beside me, here to say my whole life to. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come on, darling, and embrace me. It's what you gotta do. Kiss it, kiss me in the morning. Kiss me tonight. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me a real time. Kiss me, darling. Put on a night. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me a real time. Kiss me, darling. You're all mine. When I feel so sad and lonely, when my lessons fail me, how I wish you were beside me, here to see my whole life too. You're the only one, believe me, who can make my dreams come true. Come on, darling, and embrace me. Here's what you gotta do. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me a real time. Kiss me, darling. Put on a night. Kiss me in the morning. Kiss me in the night. Kiss me in the daytime. Kiss me all the time. Hold me, darling. Hold me a real time. Kiss me, darling. Put on a night. Kiss me, darling. Put on a night. Kiss me, darling, all night. Kiss me, darling, Thank you, Pa. And so I came